Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a sketching with the help of dark pencil, shading pencils and an eraser. I am going to make it a man sitting on a bank of the river. Here I am going to make it one path at the center. Here one slanting line, one more slanting line, one slipping line, few more slipping lines, these are the levels of the strips of the wooden strips. These are the wooden strips of the levels, different levels. I'm showing this as a pool and one guy is sitting on that facing towards mountain and a river. Now here I'm going to make it here a standing poles. My standing poles are ready. Now few strokes at both the opposite lanes which is coming inside. A light strokes. Few dark to light tone downside. Here I did it. My poolside area is done. Now a slipping area I made it where you can hold it a pool. Now I'm going to make it a river. Dark to light tone. Few bushes, a dark tone. A few mountains which is far away. Few slipping strokes for showing the darkness and the lightness of this mountain at the right directions. Few clouds in the sky. Few strokes in the sky. Few birds far away, small in the sky. Now one man sitting, ideal. its hand, giving a support downside, little bit dark tone. Again, little bit dark to light tone. Here you can see a man is sitting and enjoying the nature. Here our sketching is done. You can make it your own self, your imaginary world. Thank you, friends.